Hi guys, it's James from Pace, and today we're going to unbox the Acuvance Xarvis XX ESC. So let's get to it. So inside the box you basically have everything that you need to get up and running, including a very helpful instruction manual, which is actually well worth keeping in your pit bag. There'll be times when you need to refer to it to see what warning lights mean and things like that, so it's well worth keeping hold of that. And then you also have the ESC itself, and also, as with most Acuvance products, you can see which version it comes with from the factory. They helpfully put a piece of paper in there that tells you, so you know whether it needs an update. As I've mentioned many times over various social media posts, any ESCs that are bought from rcpace.com can be updated before they get shipped out if you just let me know which version you need, whether it's Futaba or Sanwa. So we have the ESC itself, and then we have a nice helpful little bag that contains some battery connectors, some heat shrink, receiver wire to go from the ESC to the receiver, as well as a sense cable and some double-sided tape. So it's actually everything that you need to get up and running. And then you obviously have the ESC itself, which comes installed with a capacitor, which does work well. The upgrade capacitors from the Chevalier range are also available that are worth going to when you're looking to improve things. And all of the wires are pre-tinned at their full length as well. So you may be wondering what's different between the regular Xarvis and the Xarvis XX, and there's a few differences. One is that the XX is more powerful than the Xarvis. There are also 3 settings that you can tune on the XX that you can't on the Xarvis, which are torque curve, which has a value from -5 to +5, torque endpoint, so you can change the percentage position where the torque increase or decrease ends, and you can also change the BEC voltage from 6 to 7.4 volts. There's also a single fan connector on the Xarvis and a second fan connector on the Xarvis XX that we have here, and you also have reverse polarity protection, which is super helpful. So you can see down here that there is a small LED that will illuminate if you connect your battery backwards. Incidentally, it's worth noting that the capacitor that's connected will be killed because it's connected directly to the battery voltage, as you can see there. So you must replace that before you run it again. But they're the main differences. So thanks for watching this super quick video. If you've got any questions, just ask them in the comments below and I'll answer them when I can. And please go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more quick videos like this.